See you later, boss.
See you, boss. So, Mr. A, you ready for the big presentation today?
Oh, don't worry, Lucas, it's in the bag. I've even taken care of Phil. Phil, I had a word with the security guard downstairs. He's got a vacancy coming up as a cleaner. Phil, you forgot your teammate.
You might want to speak to HR, Phil. You've just been assaulted.
Morning, boss. Right, so let's get started with the 2026 marketing strategy. Let's move. So what we're really going to be focusing on big.
Let's see how you like this.
We're going to be doing more work with our top of funnel leads. Oh, okay. Let's move on then. PR and verticals.
Let's kick it up a notch.
To kind of generate some more fuss, get more reviews, trying to get the agency to get more businesses going on. Social media. Social media is going to be really on the calendar this year.
Let's see how you like clowning around.
We really want to go viral with some of our products. Working on lights, working on getting everything. Is everything okay, boss?
Might want to have a look at the screen.
What the? Phil! Fair play, you got me good.
The new DUP-501 from D-Link. Wirelessly transmit your laptop to any screen. How you use it, well, that's up to you.